Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome or welcome back to Chef Vic Cuisine. Today we're making garlic bread, a recipe that combines the simplicity of bread with the bold and savory flavor of garlic. Not to mention, this recipe is an easy add-on dish to any table. So, let's get started.
All right, let's dive right into this recipe. First things first, we're going to preheat our oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 204 degrees Celsius. And in a medium-sized bowl, we're going to add in 3/4 cups worth of unsalted butter that's been melted. And following that, we're going to mince 4 garlic cloves into the butter. A garlic press is really handy for this step. Following that, we're going to add in 1 teaspoon's worth of onion powder, 1 teaspoon's worth of Italian seasoning, and 1/4 teaspoon of kosher salt. Whisking all these ingredients together until they're well combined. We're now going to prepare large baking sheets and line them with parchment paper. We're going to place slices of bread onto the baking sheet. And for this recipe, we're going to need 1 loaf of white bread, and you want to preferably find one with thick slices. We're going to generously brush both sides of the bread with our butter mixture. We're going to transfer this into the oven and bake this for 6 minutes, and then flip the toast and cook this for another 6 minutes or until all the toast is nice and golden brown. After that baking stage, you'll remove from the oven, and these are ready to be served hot and enjoyed. Congrats, just like that, you've made garlic bread right at home. For a variation on this recipe, you can always add some grated cheese. I like adding on some Parmesan or an Italian cheese blend onto the toast after you flip them the first time, just for another boost of flavor. And feel free to switch it up on the type of bread. I recently used a brioche bread for this, and it turned out amazing. But when you do try this at home, be sure to tag me at Chef Vic Cuisine or hashtag Chef Vic Cuisine so I can see your great takes on this dish.
As always, this recipe and many more can be found in my cookbook, Chef Vic Cuisine Volume 4, Enhancing Your Inner Chef. And that's available on Amazon, and I'll be sure to leave a link to that in my description box. And feel free to click the pop-up on your screen for more information on that as well. Thank you all so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed learning how to make garlic bread, and if you did, make sure you smash that like button for me. It's one of the best ways to show support for the channel. And if you haven't done so already, make sure you click the subscribe button too, so you don't miss out on another recipe. And feel free to share this with all your family and friends.
And stay tuned for next week where I show you an awesome salad to make. It's good by itself or as a great side dish, my chicken salad recipe. Well, thank you all again so much for watching. You can always check out more videos on my page now. YouTube thinks you'll like these videos, so let's see if they're right. And I'll catch you next time on another episode of Chef Vic Cuisine. And until then, peace.